Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to balance lighting from face using AI tool in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into duplicating of layers, using smart portrait under neural filters, and masking. So let's get started. So here in our document, I prepare here a portrait image of this young girl. And you will notice here that the lighting is on her right side of the face, while on the other half of it has a shadows on it. And our goal here is to balance the lighting. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to create a duplicate layer of our background layer. So going on to the layers panel, click on the background layer to make it active. Then press Ctrl or Command plus J. And there you go. And by the way, if you have find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Well, moving back with that duplicated layer, click on that to make it active. Then go to the menu bar, go to filter, then choose on neural filters. Under the neural filters panel, you're gonna see here different filters that we may be able to use. Now, in this time, we're gonna make use of a smart portrait. To apply the effect or the filter, all you have to do is to click this toggle switch for it to be effective. There you go. Right? Now, going on to the setting on this right side of the screen, go to global. Right? So just click on this arrow, and under it, you're going to find here the light direction. Well, if I'm going to increase the amount of light direction, the lighting will be on the right side of her face. And of course, if we decrease the amount, well, the lighting will be on the left side of our subject's face. So, because the shadow is on the left side, so we're going to start decreasing the amount to this amount, negative 40. All right, so once I did that, you will notice here that it creates lighting on the other side of her face. All right, so if you want to add more lighting, of course, we can just keep on putting this one to the minimum amount. All right, so I'm gonna set this one to negative 50. All right, now this one is brighter. But if you will notice here that the feature of the eyes is removed and there are some faded area around our subject's face. So to fix that, first let's click on OK. All right, now we're going to do the masking. So selected on that layer, go down here and click on layer mask. Now we already added the mask. Now you will notice here in the image that there are lines here on the side. Okay, so to fix that, all you have to do is to click on the layer mask thumbnail of this layer. Then go to the toolbar and get the brush tool, or you can just press B for the shortcut key. Then from the options panel, I'm going to set the opacity just into amount of 70%. Then for the smoothing, just set this one to 10. Then on the foreground color, I'm gonna set this one to black. Now we may now start fixing this. So I'll start painting on those lines that we want to remove on, right? Or also on those faded areas. Something like that. Around our subject's face. All right, now to give a brightness on the other half of the face, all I have also to do is to click on brushing on this area. Now trying to notice it that it's trying to remove the shadows. All right, and then you will notice here the eyes doesn't look well. So I'm also going to decrease the brush size by pressing open bracket key, fit enough for the eyes. There you go. Now I'm good with this size. With that black foreground color, with this brush, I'll start fixing this one. All right, so let's also include the lips. All right, there you go. Now the quality is back, and there you have it. Now, I may now show you the before and after. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to balance lighting from face using AI tool in Photoshop.